Ever wondered what lurks on your phone screen? You might be surprised. Today, we're diving deep, way deeper than you think, to uncover the shocking truth about what lives on your phone screen under the microscope. Prepare to be amazed and maybe a little bit grossed out. Our phones go everywhere with us. They're in our hands, pockets, and on every surface we touch. This constant contact makes them a perfect breeding ground for all sorts of microscopic life. So what exactly are we talking about? First up, bacteria. Your phone screen is a haven for these tiny organisms. Studies have shown that phones can carry more bacteria than a toilet seat. Think about it, you touch your phone, then you touch your face, and those germs, they hitch a ride. Common culprits include Staphylococcus and E. coli, which can cause everything from skin infections to more serious illnesses. Not a pretty picture, is it? Next, let's talk about viruses. Viruses are even tinier than bacteria and can survive on surfaces for hours, even days. Your phone screen can harbor viruses that cause colds, flu, and even more serious conditions. Every time you touch your screen, you risk exposure. Then there's the realm of fungi. Yep, your phone can be a cozy home for mold and yeast. These organisms thrive in warm, moist environments. And your phone, especially if it's kept in a pocket or handled with sweaty hands, can provide the perfect conditions. These fungi can lead to skin irritation and other health issues. And let's not forget about the parasites. Though less common, parasites can also find their way onto your phone screen. These microscopic hitchhikers can cause various health problems. Now, how does all this microscopic life get on your phone? It's simple: everything you touch. Your hands, the surfaces you place your phone on, and even the air around you. Every time you use your phone, you're potentially transferring germs from these sources to your screen. But don't panic. There are things you can do. Regular cleaning is key. Use a microfiber cloth and a screen cleaner to wipe down your phone daily. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can damage your screen. Wash your hands frequently, especially before and after using your phone. Consider using a phone sanitizer or UV light cleaner to kill germs. So the next time you reach for your phone, remember the invisible world you're about to interact with. A little awareness and some simple cleaning habits can go a long way in keeping your phone and you healthy. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.